कॉलेजी चेडूं वयता ते वयता सोडून तेजी एक कोणें लुपट्टा ओडून तेजी चेन मारली की ना ते कोण दोग जाण धांवले आनी हेणी काडले आनी तोड्यां उडी मारली म्हणून ते धांवले मागीर ताका दवरलो हांव म्हणटा ताका दवरलो जाल्यार ताका चेन मेळोंक जाय तेगेलें गँग आसूंक जाय ते बांदार कितें जाता तेंगेलें खूंय जाल्यार गँग आसता ड्रग्स घेताय ते सिगरेट ओडटाय आनी कितें करताय तेगे फ्रेंड्स हे ग्रूप तेगेले एक ग्रूप आसूंक जायो पुलिसीन एक सेफ्टी घेवपा जाय बाबा हे राती ग्रूप दवरूंक जाय.
Suspected has been caught at Udair Raya. Accordingly, we sent a robot vehicle and accordingly we left to the spot. We found that the said person has snatched the chain of a complainant, Miss Nisha Norona, a daughter of Manuel Norona, aged 21 years, resident of Kavote Chandor. She was going to the home after finishing her ITI at around 17:30 HRS. So accordingly, the said person snatched her chain, who is unknown, and who run into the field water. Accordingly, he has been caught by the people, local people, and he has been further assaulted. And accordingly, we brought him to the police station and immediately sent to the medical examination.